Hi dentist, it's P square. Casting procedure means steps of fabrication of metal prosthesis. In BDS dental material second year final exam, there is always a high yielding 10 mark or a 5 mark question from this topic. Casting is forming an object in a mold, that is sancha, or the object formed. A 10 mark question comes as explain steps of casting procedure, in which 12 points should be covered in series, starting with teeth preparation. It's a clinical process of shaping teeth to receive a cast restoration, in this case crown. Impression is made usually by elastomeric impression material. वैसे हम दूसरे impression material भी यूज कर सकते हैं, पर इसकी एक्यूरेसी कंपेरेटिवली ज़्यादा है. डाई, सिंगल टूथ की पॉजिटिव रेप्लिका को डाई कहते हैं. डाई इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम सूटेबल डाई मटेरियल एंड कोटेड विद डाई स्पेसर विच प्रोवाइड स्पेस फॉर ल्यूटिंग एजेंट और सीमेंट. Then after dye lubricant is applied, on which prosthesis is made with casting wax or inlay wax. Sprue former, an important short note. It is made with wax, plastic or metal. Viva point. Thickness is equal to thickest part of wax pattern. Reservoir is attached to it. Its length is such that there is 1/4 inch gap between the pattern and the end of ring. It can be direct or indirect. Functions: to mount wax pattern, create channel for wax elimination during burnout, and entry of molten alloy during casting. It acts as reservoir to compensate solidification shrinkage. Casting ring liner, important viva question. Placed inside casting ring and shorter at an end. Function: cushion effect allow mold to expand. मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट को एक्सपेंड करने के लिए स्पेस मिलता है ड्यू टू कुशन इफेक्ट. मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट इजी टू रिमूव एंड थर्मल इंसुलेशन. टाइप्स: asbestos, not used nowadays as it is carcinogenic. Non-asbestos includes cellulose, ceramic and cellulose combination. Important diagram: outer is casting ring, E is ring liner, C wax pattern, B sprue former, A crucible former, D investment. Before investing, wetting agent is applied on pattern to reduce air bubble, and then investment with brush is applied on pattern to avoid air bubble. Investment is mixed and vibrated, then poured into the ring on vibrator. It take an hour to set. Techniques of burnout are important in theory as well as viva point of view. Two techniques. Two stage. रिंग को फर्नेस में हीट करते हैं 400 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक 20 मिनट्स में, एंड देन होल्ड इट फॉर 30 मिनट्स. अगले 30 मिनट्स में 700 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते हैं, फिर उसको 30 मिनट्स मेंटेन करते हैं. सिंगल स्टेज. 700 to 850 डिग्री सेल्सियस प्री हीटेड ओवन में रिंग को रखते हैं 30 to 40 मिनट्स तक. Casting machines are classified based upon method of casting as centrifugal and air pressure type, based upon heating system used as torch melted, induction melted or arc melted. Centrifugal machine driven by spring or motor, simple to operate, and both small and large casting can be done. Air pressure type, compressed gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen are used to force molten alloy into mold, used mainly for small casting. It does not have vibration. Argon gas is used to protect alloy from oxidation. Torch melting, natural or artificial gas or oxygen and acetylene gas are used in combination as fuel. Zones of flame: A mixing zone, air and gas mix, no heat, dark in color. B combustion zone, green color, zone of combustion and oxidizing in nature. C reducing zone, blue in color, hottest part, used for fusion of casting alloy. D oxidizing zone, outermost, Final combustion between gas and surrounding air occurs, not used for fusion. Induction melting, commonly used. Electromagnetic induction, by heating electrically conducting object, usually a metal. Eddy currents are generated within metal and resistance leads to Joule heating of metal. High frequency alternating current, that is AC current, is used for metal ceramic and base metal alloy. Arc melting, used to melt industrial alloy like steel. Direct current, that is DC current, is passed between two electrodes, tungsten electrode and alloy, used for high fusing metals like titanium under vacuum or inert atmosphere. In sandblasting machine, to clean remaining investment in which high velocity particles of an abrasive, usually aluminum oxide, is projected in continuous stream. After casting, ring is immersed into water, leaving cast metal in annealed condition and helps to fragment investment, done only for gold metal alloy. Pickling is removing surface oxide layer from casting using 50% HCl, preferred only if indicated, usually for gold metal alloy. Sprue former is removed from processes by cutting disc. Casting is trimmed, shaped and smoothed with suitable burrs or stones. Production of smooth mirror-like surface without much loss of external form is called as polishing. Minimum polishing is required if all procedure from wax pattern to casting are done meticulously. This is all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to share the knowledge with your friends. Keep sporting.